Hello, in this video I will talk about the idea from Modulo 2. This is my presentation. My name is Francisco Antonio. My last name is Mendes Torres. My ID is 2021-1103. My teacher is Shaul Calderon Rosendo. My subject is English Liber 1-3. Okay. In this module, different topics were working on which came before the project. But vocabulary for house, dwelling, building, food trade. Okay. They introduce use how we should use grammar for there is, there are, to say that some or something exists. We like that we use for we use an am in the singular in a three form: affirmative, negative, or an question. Example: there is a melon. Is there an apple? Okay. We learn how to sum. We use some in the plural in the affirmative. Example: there are some gray in the ball. Where we shall use any. We use any negative plural and question. For example, there aren't any berries. Okay. We learn about nouns ending is s, w is, c h, says, s h, s. Example: bus, buses, dress, dresses, church, churches, fuss, fuss, brush, brushes. We learn which case we shall use this. We use this to speak or paint to people, animal, or things that are close to use. Example: this is table, these are CDs. We lay about preposition of place to say where some for something is sample. In, on, next to, within, under, in front of. I'm finished. I'm finishing my presentation. My name is Francisco Antonio Mendes Torres.